Why do we get hiccups? Is it really true that someone is thinking about us when we do? This is a common belief, but science says something different. Hiccups happen when a muscle in our body called the diaphragm suddenly contracts. The diaphragm helps us breathe. When it contracts unexpectedly, we quickly take a breath in, and at the same time, the throat suddenly closes. This is what creates the hic sound. There can be many reasons for hiccups, such as eating too fast, gas in the stomach, or sudden changes in temperature. In other words, hiccups are a physical reaction. They have no connection to someone remembering you. For more accurate and scientific information like this, stay connected with us.